Hi, this is Namit. So I started my journey at Aegis School of Business 9 months ago. I come from a bio background and I joined this course because in today's industry, data helps us drive business decisions. And organizations are looking forward to data scientists and data engineers who can use this data and give them solutions that traditional business decisions can't. So after coming to Aegis, we got introduced to a multitude of courses, including Python, R language, machine learning, you name it. And we also had regular industry sessions from various industry leaders, which helped us become the data scientists that we are today. And yesterday, I got placed in Unifor, and I would like to thank the Aegis team and the support staff for all the help that they have given me. And I would like to recommend this course to everyone who wants to follow.
Hello everyone, I'm really excited to talk to you all. Actually, I've got a really nice offer from one of the very nice companies, Unifor, and this is all because I started learning data science also because of my passion and interest. I started my career as developer, Ruby on Rails, and eventually I moved my profile to BA. But then somehow I was thinking that I still need technical knowledge, so I joined Aegis, which is a school of data science, and they cover many good subjects which makes the base of data science, like statistics, algebra, then Python, R, and many other things, ML algorithms. They cover everything, and because of that it made my base, and I could clear the interview, wherein mostly they ask the questions about machine learning and statistics. So I'm really happy that I've got this offer, and good luck to you all also. Thank you.
My name is Palbha Nazwale. I have completed my electronics and telecommunication engineering from SJSITES Indore. Right. Initially, I was working for 2 years at Infosys, and later on, I took a decision to take a step forward and learn data science as a whole. Like it's something which is growing, and something which is booming. Like there are so many things like face recognition, face detection, emotions, and everything, and it feels great that today finally I believe that I have learned a lot at Aegis, and I got placed today, and it has been, and I got placed at Navy, and it is great altogether. Thank you.
Presenting you Aegis School of Cybersecurity, the best school for postgraduate program in cybersecurity in association with IBM. Jenny Rometty, CEO IBM, said that cybercrime is the greatest threat to every company in the world. Per Forbes, cybersecurity job market is expected to grow to more than $170 billion in just 4 years. Cybersecurity spending to exceed $1 trillion. Unfilled cybersecurity jobs will reach 1.5 million by end of 2019. Cisco reports 6 million available cybersecurity jobs globally. Looking at the huge gap in skills for cybersecurity, Aegis launched Postgraduate Program, or PGP, in cybersecurity in association with IBM. PGP certification by IBM. Program taught by IBM cybersecurity experts and industry scholar gurus and top faculties. Launch your career in cybersecurity with Aegis School of Cybersecurity. Exposure to IBM Cybersecurity Lab and software. Add wings to your career and explore today about postgraduate program in cybersecurity in association with IBM at www.aegis.edu.in. Welcome to Aegis School of Data Science, the best school for postgraduate program in data science, business analytics, and big data in association with IBM. Industry association with IBM, AWS Educate, NVIDIA DLI, UBTech. IBM has set up Business Analytics Lab. Final certification is issued by IBM. Aegis facilitates scholarships, financial aid, and study loans available. We will work on live projects from the industry. Curriculum designed with the help of top data scientists and companies. Hands-on exposure to machine learning, stats, deep learning, NLP, Google TensorFlow, Spark, IBM Watson, AWS ML, and many more. Highly satisfied students with amazing reviews. Program delivered by IBM experts and the best data scientists. Program follows globally acceptable North American credit structure. Proud alumni working as data scientists with leading organizations. Participants can get opportunities for internships and final job placement with leading organizations. Aegis organizes Aegis Grand Vale Awards, Aegis' largest data science Congress Deep Learning Summit, meetups, and leadership speaker series. Network with the best data scientists and AI experts from around the world. Present your projects to the world. World-class delivery infrastructure and cloud learning management system. 3 delivery models, full-time, executive weekend classroom, and online live interactive. Add wings to your career and explore today at www.aegis.edu.in.
Hi, this is Namit. So I started my journey at Aegis School of Business 9 months ago. I come from a bio background and I joined this course because in today's industry, data helps us drive business decisions. And organizations are looking forward to data scientists and data engineers who can use this data and give them solutions that traditional business decisions can't. So after coming to Aegis, we got introduced to a multitude of courses, including Python, R language, machine learning, you name it. And we also had regular industry sessions from various industry leaders, which helped us become the data scientists that we are today. And yesterday, I got placed in Unifor, and I would like to thank the Aegis team and the support staff for all the help that they have given me. And I would like to recommend this course to everyone who wants to follow their path in data science. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I'd like to welcome you all to this info session held by Aegis. So today we'll be talking about the jobs which are present in the data science sector. All right. To start off, here are some interesting statistics which are been posted by NASSCOM and McKinsey. So around 1.4 lakh jobs are vacant in the field of AI and big data analytics, and that too in India alone. Also, there's a shortage of 1.5 million data scientists by 2018. This is a report which has been submitted by McKinsey. And by next year, that is 2020, India would need 1 million cybersecurity professionals. This is again a data which has been submitted by NASSCOM. So definitely, as you can see that there is a huge demand for data science and related professionals in the industry. I would like to point out some of the Aegis alumnus who have completed our course and are working in the industry. For example, there is Puneet Rathore. So he is one person who had very limited experience of just 3 years as a data scientist after completing the course, and he is now currently working as director with Morgan Stanley. Now, this is something which is very rare. You generally don't see someone becoming a director in such a short span of time. So what this talks about is basically how nascent the data science field is. So it's a great opportunity for everyone who is looking to make their career in this field, because you can expect a really fast growth. In fact, becoming director in 3 months is unheard of, but that is what the reality is. There are other students also who have got excellent growth. Some more learners who have benefited greatly by this program are visible here. Now, there is always a common misconception that this data science is a field which is only for tech professionals or engineering students. I would like to bring to your notice that this is not always true. All right. So if I can bring your attention to Abhishek Gupta. So this is a person who is a fresher. He has just done graduation in the field of commerce, BCom, and he has been working in the industry as a data scientist with PharmEasy. So definitely it is showing that you need not be a engineer or a IT professional to make your career in the data science field. Also, students have a lot of misconception that data science as a field is only related to IT or information technology or related fields. It is, in fact, data science is present in each and every sector. For example, it is one of the leading tools and leading technologies which is being used in the logistics sector. For example, we have Siddharth Prabhu, all right, who has completed his PGP in data science and is working with DHL as a project manager in the data management stream. So this highlights what an important role the data science technology is playing in each and every field. Another common question which a lot of people have is that, I have completed a lot of work experience. I have so many years of work experience. So how will I be perceived by the industry if I'm doing something in data science and switching into this relatively new field? I'd like to draw your attention to a couple of veterans, Rajdarshan Dhyani and Suhas Rolekar. Now, both of these gentlemen had close to 30 years of experience, right? And they were working in a totally non-data related field. Even though they were working in such a varied field, but after doing the course, they were able to do a successful transition into the analytics industry. Mr. Dhyani is currently working as Director of Data Science in Forefront Analytics, and Mr. Rolekar is working as a Principal Consultant. Now, this is some of the placement snapshot, all right? So if we talk about statistics, so Aegis as a business school or a data science school is able to offer a minimum placement of 6.5 lakhs, that is just for freshers, right? The average package is around 8.5 lakh, and the highest package has gone up to as high as 13 lakhs also. For working professionals, we are able to offer close to 40 lakhs as the highest CDC, where working professionals are able to secure a pay hike of 300% as well. These are some of the top recruiters where our students are placed and where they are working. So you can see that there are some of the top names which you will definitely recognize. There's IBM, there's Deloitte, there's Atos. Now, interesting thing to note over here is you'll see that there's a lot of IT companies, but there's also a very good representation of non-IT companies as well. So for example, you have Edelweiss, you have Nielsen, then you have the banking firms like HDFC Bank, then you have energy firm Suzlon, there's PharmEasy. So again, reiterating the point that it's not just that the IT industry is using data analytics. In fact, data analytics is a vital part in each and every industry. Now, coming to the academic and industry collaboration which Aegis has, we are associated with the topmost brands which are there in the industry, like Amazon Web Service. Then we are associated with NVIDIA, which you must be knowing as the #1 manufacturer of GPUs, which is graphical processing units. Then we are also associated with the reputed Chinese firm UBTech, which is into robotics. And of course, we are also associated with IBM, and final certification is also through IBM. These are the sample certificates which a student gets upon course completion from Aegis. As you can see, there is an IBM certificate is there, as well as the NVIDIA certification. So NVIDIA provides the certification for deep learning and applied AI, whereas IBM and Aegis jointly provide you the certification for PGP in DS, BA, and BD, which is data science, business analytics, and big data. These are the programs which we are offering. These include a PGP or an MS equivalent in data science, business analytics, big data, PGP in applied AI, machine learning, deep learning, as well as a PGP and MS in cybersecurity. Now, all our programs are based on the North American credit structure, which basically means that the credit structure is valid worldwide. So as a student, when you do this course, you get an MS equivalent program. These are some of the important course curriculum which we cover. Now, one thing I would like to highlight is, at Aegis, we work closely with the industry. Therefore, the course curriculum which we offer is always crafted as per the industry needs. Hence, it is very dynamic in nature. You can go through some of the topics which we are covering. Also, we offer a huge amount of electives to the student. So the student can, in fact, build their own course. Along with the core courses, students have huge options of electives, which include Scala, TensorFlow, Spark, data analysis, SQL, data mining, Tableau, etc. So you can really, as a student, make your own course. Of course, we are always there to help you to select the right courses as per your proper needs. Now, the programs which we offer, we also offer them on a learning management system, which is called as MUni. These are some of the snapshots. This learning management system is very easy to use, it's very practical, and it is also available on a mobile format. So it's like its access is quite good, and you can use it on your mobile phone, on your tablet, or your laptop as well. These are some of the screenshots. So the entire content in terms of lectures, videos, etc., are totally available on the mobile platform as well. We even have videos which are of longer duration, the sessions which are recorded as well. Now, the programs which we offer are offered in 3 delivery modes. There is a full-time postgraduate program. Now, this is a classroom training program where the course duration is 11 months, and the lectures are delivered Monday to Friday in a full-time format. This is typically for students who are able to devote the entire day to learning. In fact, we also have a lot of working professionals who choose this format because of the intensive nature of the program. Next format we have is the Executive Weekend On-Campus PGP, which is run on Saturday, Sundays. This is for people who are working but yet want to do the course. So here the student comes to the campus on Saturday, Sunday and completes the sessions. On the rest of the weekdays he is working. We also have an online format. Now the Executive Online Live PGP is also run on Saturday, Sundays. This gives you the convenience of accessing the sessions from the comfort of your home. Now how this online program is different from so many other programs which are available in the market. These programs are live and interactive, which means that the lectures are broadcasted live. So as a student, you can from the comfort of your home ask your questions and you can rest assured that they will be answered by the faculty. Now in the rare case, if you are not able to attend the sessions online, you can definitely get access to the recorded sessions as well. Now the admission process to join our programs is fairly simple. You need to fill an online application form, which is followed by a personal or Skype interview based on your location and availability. And in case you're selected, then we release the admission offer letter to you. I'd like to ask any questions if there, I would like to take any questions if there's anything from the students now. Yeah, so if there are any questions, you can ask it right now. You can drop your questions in the chat option which is there, and I'll be happy to answer the same. Okay, so we have a question. What was the placement percentage of the last batch size? This is from, I think, Mr. VPS Rajput. Yeah, so I'm happy to answer that. We had more than 95% placement of the last batch. We had close to 50 companies coming on campus, and in fact, 30 of our companies came on the day 0 as well. We follow an on-campus placement model. So we were able to successfully place more than 95% of the batch. I hope that answers the question. Any other questions? I'll be happy to answer the same. All right. So in case anyone has any question, these are the number as well as the email IDs where you can get in touch. All right, we have one more question. What is the duration of the weekend classes? By Mr. Ejoiku, right. So the weekend classes also have the total duration of 11 months. The course goes on for 11 months. The sessions on the weekends typically last from morning 10 to evening 4 to 5 p.m. So that's around 6 to 7 hours in the day, and the total course duration is 11 months. We have one more question. Is it possible to make transition from mechanical to analytics? That's a very good question, in fact. Now I'm happy to say that yes, you can do it, and the reason for this is because the analytics field itself is what we call as an exponential technology, right? The base of this technology is based on maths and statistics. There is a common misconception that you need to have an IT background to do well in analytics, which is absolutely wrong. You need to be basically good at mathematics, right? And if you are decent at mathematics, then definitely we can train you to be good in analytics. In fact, not just mechanical, like I said earlier as well. We have had people even from commerce background transitioning and doing very well in the analytics field. So yes, to answer the question, it is definitely possible to make a transition from mechanical to analytics field. Okay. So it's good to have questions coming in and interactions, and any other questions from any other people watching online, I'll definitely be able to answer, be happy to answer the same. Yeah, so Santosh has a question, what is the minimum package? Okay, Santosh, so I would like to tell you that at Aegis, the minimum package to freshers which we have been able to offer is 6.5 lakhs per annum. One more question, same placement opportunities at Bangalore campus? Absolutely. In fact, we have a centralized placement system. So all our campus in Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune, Delhi have the same placement opportunities. Any more questions, guys? So I think that's it. So in case any of you have any other queries, the contact details are mentioned over there. You can drop us a mail or call us, and we'll be happy to answer all your queries related to data science field. Thank you.